What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Dominoes 7 back again, vlogging in the rain and stuff like that. I'm at UNO right now, you know. Yeah, I'm waiting on the Elysian Field so I can go to Cox Cable. Just got out that bus right there, you see. Yep. Yeah, second part of vlogging in the rain, you know. Yep, Facebook Live vlog in the rain. Okay. All right, so anyway, as I was saying, y'all, there's some unexpected bad weather, you know. People still walking around, you know. So anyway, y'all, I'm just waiting on this bus going and pay my bills and stuff on the fixed income, you know. I'm not supposed to tell nobody that. Well, what the hell, okay? Yes, indeed, bro. So I'm just out here doing my thing on a day like this, you know. I know some of you probably never seen UNO before, but here it is. I guess these are restrooms back here, you know. I assume not. Okay. We walk around here, showing y'all the park and stuff. Yeah, it's a park, a college campus, you know. So I'm vlogging the college campus and stuff like that. I guess people walking around to find their dorms or go to class or whatever. So yeah, that's all there is to it, you know. Yep. So the rain kind of slacked up a little bit, you know. Well, it's slacking up a little bit, you know. That's what's going on, you know. Rain slacking up a little bit, so as some of you already know, you know, that the rain is slacking up a little bit, you know. So as people walk around trying to get to class in this rain and stuff like that. This is a huge campus right here, you know. Yep. So the Elysian Field should be coming in a minute. Yep, the Elysian Field should be coming. Vlogging in a mask. Facebook Live, vlogging in the rain. Part 2, you know. Yep. It was raining hard, you know. But it was raining hard when I was on the bus. It was still raining hard when I got off, you know. I guess I should have had my heavy coat, you know. Go by my AT and eat some Ray-Beans, you know. Yep. Yep. So what else is next for my agenda? Nothing else. Okay. So y'all can see this is a brand new bus. Well, this is 2021, you know. Y'all see this video a couple of years from now, it'll be old by then, you know. Yep. Well, people walking around good into their classes, a designation or whatever you want to call it. It's not summer vacation yet. Yeah, there's some dorms and stuff on here on this campus, you know. Just like PCA, you know. Do any of y'all watch Zoe 101 before? Jamie Lynn Spears, Kristen Herrera, Victoria Justice, Alexa Nicholas, Aaron Sanders, Michael Massey, big brother of Kyle Massey. Yes, indeed. I'm talking about Zoe 101. PCA, Pacific Coast Academy. I guess there's no such thing as that, you know. Well, they said they was gonna have an iCarly reboot, and no more Sam Puckett. I'll talk about that on another show. Or I probably talked about it already, I guess. I don't know. Depends on when I upload this to YouTube. Or if it's already on YouTube, y'all already know. So don't ask no questions, because you already know. Read that Fat Man Tax. Huh. Refund advances up to $6,000. Ain't that something, y'all? Facts. Fat Man Tax. Never heard of such a thing. Ain't that something, yo? Huh. So that's all there is to it. I guess I will deal with y'all another time. Okay. Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube or whatever. All right. Bye bye.